Learn English to Gujarati formal connectors, with regard to, on the basis of, and.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
Welcome, brave language lawyer. Hey, you're about to learn some very formal sounding Gujarati connectors without falling asleep in a meeting. And yes, that is a real achievement. Today you will meet 8 useful phrases, with regard to, in the context of, within the framework of, on the basis of, in the course of, in favor of, and at the expense of. In Gujarati, our stars are
ના સંદર્ભમાં, ના માળખામાં, ના આધારે, દરમિયાન, ની તરફેણમાં,
and.
ના ભોગે.
Some English phrases share the same Gujarati expression, so you get a nice bargain. A grammar bargain, not a supermarket bargain. Sadly, no free mangoes. Your mission today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just listen, laugh a little, and repeat the Gujarati phrases out loud. With regard to, equals.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
In the context of, equals.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
Within the framework of, equals.
ના માળખામાં.
On the basis of, equals.
ના આધારે.
In the course of, equals.
દરમિયાન.
In favor of, equals.
ની તરફેણમાં.
At the expense of, equals.
ના ભોગે.
The office where everyone sounds important. Let's enter a very serious office where even the coffee sounds formal. You'll hear the phrases in a mini-story. On Monday morning, the manager stood up and said, with regard to the budget, or
બજેટના સંદર્ભમાં.
we need more data. Everyone nodded as if they had been born holding clipboards. Then the legal advisor added, in the context of the new policy,
નવી નીતિના સંદર્ભમાં.
we must be careful. Then the project lead said, we are working within the framework of international law.
આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય કાયદાના માળખામાં.
At this point, one intern quietly wrote, help. Next came the data analyst, on the basis of the report.
અહેવાલના આધારે.
We changed the plan. Finally, the chairperson sighed and said, during the meeting,
meeting દરમિયાન.
we have already used more formal phrases than any normal human should. Spotlight on.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
This is your superstar phrase today. It helps you sound precise, focused, and slightly like a professor with excellent pens. Say it slowly.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
It means with regard to, and also in the context of, depending on the sentence. Example. With regard to your question, the answer is yes. Gujarati. Tamara prasna.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
Javaba ha che. Example. In the context of education, this policy makes sense. Gujarati.
શિક્ષણના સંદર્ભમાં.
A niti yogya lage che. Memory trick. Think of.
સંદર્ભ.
As context. If a conversation is messy, this phrase shines a spotlight on the topic. Funny image. A parrot in a business suit refuses to speak unless every sentence begins with.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
Build a frame, look smart. Now we move from context to framework. This phrase is wonderfully official and slightly dramatic. Within the framework of, becomes.
ના માળખામાં.
Imagine a big golden picture frame around your plan. If something happens inside that frame, it happens.
ના માળખામાં.
Example. We are acting within the framework of the law. Gujarati.
અમે કાયદાના માળખામાં કાર્ય કરી રહ્યા છીએ.
Example. The project was developed within the framework of the new policy. Gujarati. Projekta Navi Niti.
ના માળખામાં.
Vikasavavamam avio hato. Joke warning. If your boss brings a real photo frame to the meeting and says everything must stay.
ના માળખામાં.
Maybe update your resume. Facts first, drama later. This next phrase is for decisions based on evidence, logic, reports, and not your cousin's mysterious instincts. On the basis of, equals.
ના આધારે.
Example. The decision was made on the basis of evidence. Gujarati. Nirnaya.
પુરાવાના આધારે.
Levamam avio hato. Example. On the basis of your report, we changed the plan. Gujarati. Tamara ahivalana.
આધારે.
Aim yojana badali. Example. Students are selected on the basis of merit. Gujarati. Vidyarthioon layakatana.
આધારે.
Pasanda Karavamam Avenue Che. Memory image. A judge standing on a huge stone labeled.
આધાર.
Because every decision needs a base. Mini joke. Choosing lunch.
સ્વાદના આધારે.
Is wise. Choosing lunch based on office gossip is adventurous. Time is passing, please stay awake. Good news. This phrase is shorter. Bad news. Time is still passing, whether or not grammar is ready. In the course of, is often just.
દરમિયાન.
Meaning during. Example. In the course of the meeting, we changed the plan. Gujarati. Maitinga.
દરમિયાન.
Aim Yojana Badali. Example. In the course of the year, she learned a lot. Gujarati. Varsa.
દરમિયાન.
Tane Ganam Sikiam. Example. In the course of the investigation, new facts appeared. Gujarati. Tapasa.
દરમિયાન.
Nava Tathyo Same Avya. Imagine walking down a long hallway called.
દરમિયાન.
And events keep happening as you walk. That is the feeling. Choose a side. Now let's support something. Preferably a good idea, not a plan to put pineapple on every possible dish. In favor of, is.
ની તરફેણમાં.
Example. She spoke in favor of the proposal. Gujarati. Teni Prastava.
ની તરફેણમાં.
Vata Kari. Example. The decision was made in favor of the children. Gujarati. Faisalo Balako.
ની તરફેણમાં.
Lavayo. Example. He voted in favor of change. Gujarati. Tane Badalava.
ની તરફેણમાં.
Mata Apyo. Think of standing on one side in a debate. You are physically leaning toward your favorite idea. If you lean too far, though, that is no longer language learning. That is falling. When one thing wins and another suffers. This phrase is useful, serious, and just a little dramatic. It describes trade-offs and sacrifice. At the expense of, equals.
ના ભોગે.
Example. The company increased profits at the expense of its workers. Gujarati. Company Patana Commodaro.
ના ભોગે.
Nafo Vidrio. Example. He saved time at the expense of quality. Gujarati. Tane Gunavada.
ના ભોગે.
Samaya Bakavyo. Example. Development should not happen at the expense of nature. Gujarati. Vakasha Prakrti.
ના ભોગે.
Na Thavo Joie. Memory trick. Picture a scale. One side goes up, but the other side pays for it. Tiny joke. If you learn vocabulary at the expense of sleep, your brain may file a formal complaint. Quick dialogue drill. Let's make this lively. I'll give you mini scenes so your ear gets used to the rhythm. A. What about the new rule? B.
નવી નીતિના સંદર્ભમાં.
We need more details. A. Was this done randomly? B. No, it was done.
નીતિના માળખામાં.
A. Why did they change the decision? B.
પુરાવાના આધારે.
A. When did you improve so much? B.
અભ્યાસ દરમિયાન.
A. Are you against the idea? B. No, I am.
આ વિચારની તરફેણમાં.
A. Was the quick result worth it? B. Not if it came.
સુરક્ષાના ભોગે.
Mini quiz, no tie required. Time for a cheerful little quiz. If you get one wrong, the grammar police will not arrive. How do you say, with regard to, in Gujarati? Answer.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
How do you say, in the context of? Answer.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
How do you say, within the framework of? Answer.
ના માળખામાં.
How do you say, on the basis of? Answer.
ના આધારે.
How do you say, in the course of? Answer.
દરમિયાન.
How do you say, in favor of? Answer.
ની તરફેણમાં.
How do you say, at the expense of? Answer.
ના ભોગે.
Your final challenge. Now you try. Repeat each English phrase and then the Gujarati. Give it your best dramatic official voice. With regard to the budget.
બજેટના સંદર્ભમાં.
In the context of education.
શિક્ષણના સંદર્ભમાં.
Within the framework of the law.
કાયદાના માળખામાં.
On the basis of evidence.
પુરાવાના આધારે.
During the meeting.
મીટિંગ દરમિયાન.
In favor of the children.
બાળકોની તરફેણમાં.
At the expense of nature.
પ્રકૃતિના ભોગે.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just survived a parade of formal connectors and came out sounding smarter. Thank you for learning with me today. Practice these phrases again out loud.
ના સંદર્ભમાં, ના માળખામાં, ના આધારે, દરમિયાન, ની તરફેણમાં,
And
ના ભોગે.
keep practicing, use them in your own sentences, and next time you hear a formal discussion, you'll understand much more. And if a parrot in a suit says,
ના સંદર્ભમાં,
you are officially ready.